Hello again and welcome to our Customer Connect support channel. This video is going to cover a Clover system update version 3.0.72. This updated the search fields on the Clover system to make it a little bit easier to find customers during the checkout process. Okay, we're going to head to our Customer Connect app. This is on the Clover device, so this is your home screen, and we're going to go to our Customer Connect app. And you'll see here that you're able to search for customers on the left hand side through your loyalty ID number or by the customer name, phone number, email with this field here. There were some customers or merchants that were having issues with searching for customers, so we went ahead and updated the system, and I'll show you how you can even change these fields here to make it easier for you to search for your customers. So you'll go to settings, and you'll see here at the very top it says search fields. We have default, loyalty ID, and both. So the default is just the customer search, then you have the loyalty ID, and some people just prefer to have default so that it's easy to search for the customer's name, phone number, email, and make it simple for anybody working on the Clover device. Then you go down and you'll save your settings, and then you'll see here that you can only search for the customer that one way. This also makes it easy for when you're actually checking out a customer. We're going to go through a mock checkout process. We'll just put some things in our basket, just random things. We'll go to pay, and as you're normally checking out, you're always going to choose that Customer Connect button, and then you'll be able to search. You'll see that you can search for your customer here. If you had both or the loyalty ID number, then that would be showing here as well. Thank you again for tuning in to our Customer Connect support channel. As you can see, when our merchants reach out to us about updates or something that they'd like to see different in our application, we do our best to go ahead and update the system to make it easier for our merchants to interact with their customers.